Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about brain worms. And stick around for the end as we're going to tell you about brain gains. This case comes to us from a neurosurgeon out of Roseville, California. He originally posted this video to YouTube 5 years ago, and he's been inactive on the platform for about 3 years, which is disappointing because he is an amazing surgeon. At the end of the video, we'll tell you how this patient got a brain worm, so stick around for that as well. The doctor states that this patient presents with acute hydrocephalus, found to have neurocysticercosis, with a cyst in the fourth ventricle causing acute obstructive hydrocephalus. After ventricular drain placement, a posterior suboccipital craniectomy was used to remove the lesion without splitting the vermis. This video is of the patient in the prone position with the head down and the feet in the direction of the top of the video. Whew. Dr. Shahi graduated with a BS degree in chemistry and a BS degree in biology from the University of California at Irvine. He then received his doctorate of philosophy, a PhD, and doctorate of medicine, MD, with the highest distinction, summa cum laude, from the University of Southern California. He completed his residency training in surgery and neurological surgery at the University of Utah. Dr. Shahi indicated that the worm was a result of eating undercooked pork. Wow. Brain surgery in action. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time. And stay tuned for a quick message from Advanced Brain Gains. Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle. And people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in the body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It's an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.